My Crepe Inhibitor Triple Action Body Butter is a cutting-edge formula that delivers immediate skin restoring benefits with lasting results to treat the appearance of dry, crepey skin. It's formulated with shea butter, is a skin emollient rich in antioxidants and skin-replenishing fatty acids that is known to benefit dry skin and protect against weather, sun, and photoaging, and the elimination of superficial irritations. Glycerin is a humectant, a type of moisturizing agent that hydrates the outer layer of the skin, helps improve the skin barrier function, and protects against skin irritants. Peptide complex is shown to reduce inflammation and redness, restore skin moisture balance, reduce hyperpigmentation, improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, boost skin elasticity and plumpness, and provides antioxidant protection. Glycerol glucoside, it's a naturally age-defying active derived from marine blue-green algae. It nourishes and revitalizes sluggish skin cells, increases hydration, and improves skin elasticity. Please visit nasifmdskincare.com to learn more.